The Z-19 is a product of Harbin Industrial Corporation based on the design of the Harbin C-9W armed version, a Chinese-made licensed helicopter model of the famous Eurocopter AS-365 Dolphin. The Z-19 was born as a specialized attack helicopter with stealth qualities, intended to coordinate with Z-10 attack helicopter units. The Harbin Z-19 was first introduced at the Zhuhai Air Show in November 2012, more than 2 years after its first flight in 2010. The Z-19 is essentially a tandem-seat version of the Z-9W, using mechanical components derived from the Eurocopter AS-365 Dolphin series. The Z-19 features a fenestron tail, reducing the noise level and therefore allowing it to achieve some level of acoustic stealthiness. The exhausts have also been designed to reduce the infrared signature and can execute operations under difficult weather and environmental conditions. The fuselage is also equipped with non-retractable front landing gears for safe takeoff and landing. The helicopter has a length of 12 meters and height of approximately 4.01 meters. Maximum takeoff weight is 4.5 tons, whereas the empty weight is 2.35 tons. The Harbin Z-19 is powered by two WZ-8A turboshaft engines with 940 horsepower each. The power plant provides a cruising speed of about 245 km per hour and a maximum speed of approximately 280 km per hour. The helicopter has a maximum range of 700 km, can climb at a rate of 9 meters per second, and operate at a ceiling of 2,400 meters. It can perform airborne operations for more than 3 hours. The Z-19 is lightly armored. Both pilots are seated on crash-resistant seats. For reconnaissance, it is equipped with a nose-mounted FLIR, TV, and laser range fader. For fire support, the Z-19 has 4 hardpoints under the wings and can carry rocket pods and other weapons, such as TY-90 air-to-air and HJ-8 anti-tank missiles. The helicopter has no nose cannon mount. However, it can carry a ported 23mm cannon. The TY-90 air-to-air missile measures 1.86 meters in length and 90mm in diameter. It weighs 20 kilograms, which includes a 3 kg warhead, and it can reach a top speed of Mach 2. Targets can be struck by the helicopter within a range of 500 meters to 6 kilometers. The HJ-8 anti-tank guided missile has an overall length of 1.56 meters and diameter of 120 mm. Powered by a solid fuel rocket, the 25 kg missile can reach speeds of up to 220 meters per second. The maximum operation range of the missile is 6 kilometers. In 2014, a version of the Z-19 with a mass-mounted radar was observed. It resembles a longbow radar of a US AH-6040 Apache attack helicopter. It is most likely that this version can fire anti-tank missiles in fire and forget mode. This helicopter was first publicly revealed in 2017. It can be seen that the Harbin Z-19 light attack helicopter is a superior helicopter with good firepower, high mobility, many modern features, and especially the stealth design. Deserves to be one of the leading light attack helicopters in the world today. My video about the Harbin Z-19 attack helicopter ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.